How did roadrunners get their name? When people see roadrunners, these desert birds are usually racing alongside a road. Roadrunners are not good flyers because of their short wings, but their long legs make them good runners. Roadrunners can dash up to 15 miles an hour to catch their food, which may be a mouse, a snake, a lizard, or a spider. How do roadrunners live in the desert? Roadrunners are well suited to life in the hot desert. They eat many different things, getting enough liquid from fruits, seeds, and eggs without having to look for water at all. They also have thick feathers to protect them from rattlesnake bites. Roadrunners' nests are made of things the birds find in the desert, such as sticks, snake skins, and dried animal droppings. Does pecking hurt trees? You might wonder whether all the pounding and drilling woodpeckers do is bad for trees. Actually, woodpeckers are really helping trees. They eat bugs and pests that burrow into wood and would finally kill a tree if it were not for the woodpeckers' help.